This. Got this one here. Look, this one here. The cats don't leave me alone. I've got another one here, hanging around my house. What you want, guys? You haven't followed me from Medina by any chance, have you? I know you haven't. This one's greedy. I just fed this one here. And this one's a bit of a... Aren't you? Don't come near me, you might flipping hurt me one. You're aggressive. Not even my cat's, guys. My cat's inside there. She don't like it. Leave my one in there. As soon as I open that door, she'll be near the window. Look. She's not having any of it.